Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Ed. Today I'm going to do another cooking video, and I'm going to make the theme of my cooking videos cooking for two people, okay? Because there's only me and Linda 99% of the time, and I always try to cook for just two people, which can be a challenge for some people. So today it's going to be sausage and peppers with pasta, rigatoni to be specific. Today is September 16th, 2023. Tomorrow, September 17th, Sunday, is my birthday. So if you could please reward me with a like and possibly subscribe if you are not. Alright. Okay, so what we got here is some sweet Italian sausage, just 2 pieces, mushrooms, peppers and onions. I used red and green bell pepper. We got some tomato paste, contadina tomato sauce, and for the tomatoes we're going to use rotel, diced tomatoes with green chilies, and of course some quality good Italian pasta. So, oh, and garlic, if I didn't say garlic. And I try to mince up my garlic. I don't like to slice it because I don't like getting big chunks of garlic in my mouth. And so, of course, I'm using my Cuisinart stainless steel pans. I got a little pan back there that's going to boil water. The heat's on. I do what's called boil and burn. I boil the sausage first, then I throw it in the pan. So I'll show you that. Okay, the sausage is boiled. Now I'm going to burn. Water and oil. Olive oil in there. Okay, the sausage is browned up. I'm going to remove it, put it on a plate. Over here on a plate, and I'm going to let that cool. And then I'm going to medium heat, add some more olive oil. And I'm going to throw in my garlic. Very first. And just let that toast up a little bit. Then I'm going to add the onions and peppers, not the plate. Got that oil in there, some more oil. Now I'm going to add some water. And I'm going to deglaze the pan. And what I want to do here is I kind of want to steam these vegetables. Plus I want to spot clean this pan. Do this a lot in stir frying. A lot. Spot clean with water. Okay, and I'm going to turn the heat down and cover it up. And we're just going to let that water cook off. The oil will stay there, but the water will cook off. Okay, this sausage is still real hot, but I'm going to slice this up in this direction. Thin pieces. Just like that, at an angle. So I'll get all that sliced up. And I'll be back. Forgot to add my mushrooms, so we'll do that. They cook really fast, so it's good to let some of the other stuff cook a little bit before you throw the mushrooms in. Let's let that simmer a little longer and cook that water off. Okay, we've cooked off most of the water. We're going to add some tomato paste. Sticky stuff. We're going to cook that in there. Maybe add a little more. Everything coated with that. Stuff in that oil. Okay, we're going to add our rotel. These are diced tomatoes, not crushed. A lot of people use crushed tomatoes. And I've got the pasta water on. I'm going to add the sauce. Cooking for two. Small cans. It's all mixed up. Get this to simmer. Add our sausage. All the juices that are on the plate. Put the heat up a little bit. Okay, the water's boiling. I'm going to explode it with some salt. And approximately 2 cups of rigatoni. Got to add the pepper. little Italian seasoning. Kind of like oregano. It's good. Okay, when you can reach in, stab it a little bit more, not quite al dente. You want it a little harder than that. Then put it in the sauce. Okay, I'm going to say the pasta is done. It's al dente, a little less. Throw it in here. Not going to rinse it or nothing. Some water. Get it all. Looks like I did. Sorry about that. Up. Cover all that pasta. If it's too cooked, the sauce won't stick. Now I've got some lovely freshly grated pecorino cheese. Fresh Italian bread. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer for a minute, about 5 minutes. Okay, there it is with some fresh torn basil. Put it on the plate. Add some fresh ground pecorino, because that's what I grabbed out of the refrigerator. And more cheese. Wow. A piece of fresh Italian bread. Ready to go. So one of my last videos, I don't usually do this. They wanted me to do a taste test. Sausage and rigatoni. Onions and peppers. Hey, what are you doing? So remember, tomorrow's my birthday, so like and subscribe. See you later.